Good morning. Good morning, all.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay. Let's start now. Exercise 1.4, question number 1. First question is x equal to 1, comma 3, comma 5 and y equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Find the union of x and y. So we know union means join of two sets. So their union is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 5. That means 1, comma 2, all the elements. That means 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2 and 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5 is the question number 1. 1, 1.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we already did this one.
Hello. Okay.
Sir, we already did this one.
Already this one. Okay. Many are new. Okay. Only
Number
one,
one,
one
number
on,
two,
only
sorry.
one and two, three question you've done only. No, not all. Okay. You see. So
Yes, sir.
x union y, x union y equal to set bracket, so 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. This is x union y, 1 2 3 5. And okay, let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is x is a natural number and multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12. These are multiple of 3. And B set is x is a natural number less than 6. So less than 6 means 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join up two sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So now A union B equal to A union B. This is number 3.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and dot dot.
A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12. One, sorry. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12. 6, 9, 12, then dot dot dot. See, is okay? Hello? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 9, 12, dot dot dot. Because multiple of 3, it is go on. So dot 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 is, and then bracket close. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 4. Question number 4 is x is a natural number and 1 less than x less than equal to 6. And B set x is a natural number 6 less than x less than 10. So 1 less than x less than equal to 6. So what are the elements? So A set equal to number 4, set A, set equal to 1 less than x less than equal to 6. That means after 1, 2, start from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because of less than equal to sign is there, so 6 including 6 also. So A set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A set 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A set. Now B set, set B. So B set is
7, 8, 9.
yes, because natural number 6 less than x less than 10. No equal sign is there between 6 and 10, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. This is B set. Now their union, A union B. A union B equal to, so common join of A and B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Start from 2. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, then 9. Bracket close. Set bracket. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is A union B. Then question number 5 you see, A set is 1, 2, 3, it is given 1, 2, 3, 3 elements, and B is null set, B equal to 5. So null set means no element. Hello? Null set means no element.
Yes, sir.
So what is their union? So what is their union? A union B. What is their union? B is not an element, B is null set. So no elements are there in B because B is null set. So only A's element means A union B. So 1, 2, 3 only. So 1, 2, 3 only. 1, 2, 3. Then bracket close. Set bracket. Okay. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next is question number 2. Question number 2 is A equal to A comma B. Small letter A B, A set, and B set is A B C, A comma B comma C. So is A is a subset of B. All the elements of A are also the elements of B. That means A is a subset of B. Yes, A is a subset of B. And then you find A union B. This is number 2. So number 2. Number 2, write yes. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Okay? First part answer. And second part is find A union B. A union B equal to, so A union B equal to all the elements of A and B, that means A comma B comma C. A comma B, comma C, bracket close. Okay, and let's see A, comma B, comma C. This is the set of B, no? B set, no? This is, so you can write this equal to B. So this is equal to B. So A union B equal to B. This is the answer. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 3. Same. 2 and 3 are same question. Same answer. A union B equal to B. Okay, you can do. Because of same. Question number 4 you see. 4. Question number 4 is A set is given, A set, B set, C set, D set are given. Find A union B. A, B, C are 3 sets are given. Find A union B. A is 1, 2, 3. B is 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the elements. Number 4, 1. For 1, A union B. A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Comma 6. This is A union B. All the elements of A and B. Now number 2 is A union C. Number 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
C. A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4 and C is 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, then 7, 8. Set bracket. Okay, this is A union C. Now, what is B union C? B union C, B is 3, 4, 5, 6 and C is 5, 6, 7, 8. So B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Next, B union D. The B and D, join of B and D. B is 3, 4, 5, 6 and D is 7, 8, 9. That means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is B union D. Question number 5 you see A union B union C. Join of 3 sets. Question number 5. A union B union C. So, number 5. A union B union C. A union B union C. So A union B union C. All the 3 sets join up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to 8. A union B union C. Join of 3 sets A, B, C. Okay. Next, go question number 5. The intersection. Intersection means common only, common. Intersection. Intersection means common only. Question number 5. 1. Say, question is x equal to 1, 3, 5 and y equal to 1, 2, 3. So what is the common point? Common 1, 3, 5 and 1, 2, 3. Common is common from x and y. That is intersection. So what is common? 1, 3, 5 and 1, 2, 3. 1 is common and 3 is common. So 1 and 3. So x intersection y. X intersection, this is intersection sign, symbol, intersection y equal to set 1 and 3 common, 1, 3. So this is x intersection y, 1, 3. Answer, common of x and y. All of you understand intersection?
Yes, sir.
Next, see question number 2. Question number 2 is A is A, E, I, O, U, all 5 vowels, and B equal to A, B, C. So what is common? What is common? A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C?
A.
Only A. Only A is common from both A and B. So A intersection B equal to A. A intersection B equal to A. A intersection B equal to A, small letter A. That is common. Next question is number 3. X is a natural number and multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12. Dot dot dot. Then x is a natural number less than 6. Less than 6 means up to 5. 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6, 9, 12. So what is common?
3.
3 only. So A intersection B equal to 3. This is number 3. Number 3. A intersection B. A intersection B equal to 3 only. A intersection B equal to 3. Next, number 4 is A equal to x is a natural number. 1 less than x less than equal to 6. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And x is a natural number. B set 6 less than x less than 10. That means 7, 8, 9. So A set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B set is 7, 8, 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. What is common?
None, sir.
Any number is common? Anything common? Any number?
No, sir.
No common point is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. So null set. No common point is there. This is number 4. So A intersection B equal to null set. So null set we know, no need to write bracket, no need bracket, only null set, that is empty set. Now question number 5. A is a set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and B equal to null. So A equal to 1, 2, 3 elements are, and B equal to null. Null means no element are there. So any common point is there, A and B. Any common point? So no common point is there. So this answer also null. Number 5. So number 5 also A intersection B equal to null set. A intersection B equal to null set. So number 5 also null set. The next question number 6. Question number 6. A set is given 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is 7, 9, 11, 13. C is 11, 13, 15. D is 15 and 17. A, B, C, D. 4 sets. Find A intersection B. So what is common of A and B? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 7, 9, 11, 13. So what is
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11. Yes. 7, 9, 11 is the common. That is number 1. 6 number 1. A intersection B. 6 number 1. A intersection B equal to A and B equal to 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. This is A intersection B. Say question number 2, B intersection C. B intersection C is 7, 9, 11, 13 and 11, 13, 15. So what is common? Common is
11,
11
13.
and 13. Yes, 11 and 13. This is common. Okay. Next see 3 set intersection of 3 sets. Number 3. A intersection C intersection D. So first you have to find A intersection C, then intersection D. So what is common of 3 sets? A, C, D. A, C, D. Common of 3 sets. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A. And C is 11, 13, 15. And D is 15, 17. So any common point is there. A intersection C intersection D. Hello. Any common point is there. A, C, D. Question number 3. Question number 3.
Yes, sir.
A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D.
So 11 and 15.
11, 15 common. Where A set is 11 is there. Now all the 3 sets here. You have to see A, C, D. All 3 sets. Comparing all 3 sets, any common point? A, C, D?
No, sir.
No common element are there. All the 3 sets. A, C, D. No common point. 11 is common only A and C, but In D set 11 is not there. And 15 is common, C and D. So A is not there, 15. So no common point is there. So it is null set. A intersection C intersection D is null set, no common point. Null set, answer. See question number 4. 4 A intersection C you can do. Question number 6 you see the question number 6. Number 6. Question number 6. A intersection B union C. So first you find B union C. B union C. B union C. So what is 6 number? What is B union C? B union C, B and C union join, that is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, no? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. This is B union C. And then you have to find this intersection with A. So A intersection, actually you have to find A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. This is equal to, so this B union C and A set, any common point? A set is
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11, no? 7, 9,
Yes, sir.
11. Yes. So 7, 9, 11. This is the answer. All of you understand this? All of you understand this question? 6 number is different.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Section both are there. Okay. So practice this all. Thank you for this much for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.